Hi guys, I got in an order. It came pretty fast, about 3 weeks, from Aliexpress to make more edibles. These are gummy bear molds, and they were about $2.18 each or something like that. They're cheaper than Amazon, although Amazon was having several sets of these go on sale for about $15.99. So you get 53, you can make 53 gummy bears, and it comes with a little dropper that you can fill each of the cavities, and they come in a variety of colors. And each comes with its own little dropper. I'll put the link to the seller in the Dropbox, and when I make these, I'll do a video for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps someone who may need some silicone molds. They look like they're pretty good quality, and they are the same type that Amazon sells.